Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I am in love with this look. Reason is it's so easy, and the best part is you can wear it on Christmas party, New Year party, anywhere you like it. And it is beginner friendly, as I tell you in my each and every video. So let's quickly get started. In today's video, I kept an exception where I showed you how to put an eye base before eyeshadow. So I haven't applied anything on my lid, and I'm going in with a concealer from Elf Cosmetics, and I'm just packing it all over the lid. And once you have packed the concealer, you need to set it with a loose powder or a translucent powder, but I am going in with Maybelline Fit Me. It's affordable and it's really good. And then I'm going in with Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette, and I'm taking the shade Rise Up. That's a pretty brownish pinkish shade, and I'm just packing it all over the lid. The reason is it will give a nice base to my next shade. So you can take any blending brush. Here I'm taking Morphe blending brush. It's my go-to brush. And then I'm going in with the shade Hope. It's a dark brown shade, and I'm packing it on my outer corner. We haven't changed any brush. It is the same brush. So the best part, you don't need a lot of brushes for this look. So once I've packed it on the outer corner, I am just blending it slowly towards the center of my lid. You can see I'm using eye tape. This eye tape is giving me dimension and a control. That's why I'm using it on outer corner. And then I went in with the shimmer shade. This is a champagne shimmer from the palette. It's very beautiful, and I'm using my finger to pack it because then I get better color payoff. And then I'm going with the same blending brush and trying to spread the shimmer. Then I added a little bit of glitter, Maverick from the palette. It's just I ran out of the glitter, so I just packed a little bit. Then I'm going in with Stila Cosmetics silver lining pencil in my waterline. And then I don't know, I just felt like I need to put the same pencil in my upper eyelid as well, just to give a nice beautiful liner. And once I have put it on the lid, I try to create a wing with the same pencil. This pencil is really good. It's very buttery and it's very smooth. You can see when I'm creating the wing, it's going so flawlessly in my outer corner, and then when I'm bringing it back, it is absolutely butter. I love this pencil. And then I'm going in with some mascara and lash curler. This is Maybelline Sky High mascara, my go-to mascara. And this is my final look. Hope you love it. It is super easy. Anyone can do it. And if you do love it, then you need to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in next video.